Hello students, welcome to RD Chemistry. Here in this video, I'll discuss few important concepts of solid state in the form of some questions. Let us see the first question. A solid compound XY has sodium chloride structure. If the radius of the cation is equal to 100 picometers, then what the radius of the anion is equal to? They mentioned sodium chloride and they are not given the edge length A. In such cases, we'll go for the radius ratio. What is this radius ratio? Radius ratio is the radius of the cation to the radius of the anion. And for sodium chloride, it is equal to 0.414. Okay. So we can find out radius of the anion is equal to radius of the cation divided by 0.414, which is equal to radius of the cation they are given 100 picometers divided by 0.414, which is equal to approximate around 241.5 picometers. Okay, that is the answer, option number C. Right? Question number 2. The pycnometric density of sodium chloride is given 2.161 into 10 power 3 kg per meter cube. And also they given X-ray density 2.178 into 10 power 3 kg per meter cube. The fraction of unoccupied sites in sodium chloride is equal to. Now to find out the fraction that is unoccupied, where some of the ions are missing. Okay, to calculate that one, we have the formula fraction unoccupied is equal to the X-ray density minus pycnometric density divided by the X-ray density. Remember here, X-ray density greater than the pycnometric density and take the fraction of that one, which is equal to here X-ray density given 2.178 minus that of pycnometric 2.165, correct? Common term is 10 power 3, so I'll write on outside the bracket, divided by X-ray density is equal to 2.178 into 10 power 3. Okay, the difference is found to be 0.013 into 10 power 3 divided by 2.178 into 10 power 3. Okay, so finally it is equal to about 5.96 approximately, but it is 10 power minus 3 comes. Okay, so the answer is option number A. Fine. Question number 3. When molten zinc is converted into solid state, it requires HCP structure. Remember, hexagonal close packing. Also remember student, for hexagonal close packing, remember zinc is one of the examples. The number of nearest neighbor is equal to, what is number of nearest neighbor? Nothing but coordination number, how much? Remember directly student, for HCP, the coordination number of the given atom element is 12. Okay, that is the option number B. Right? Question number 4. The structure of mixed oxide is a CCP, cubic close packed. The cubic unit cell of mixed oxide is composed of oxide ion. Remember student, oxide form the lattice. Remember, oxide form the lattice here. And 1/4 of tetrahedral voids are occupied by divalent metal A. It is occupied by atom A, metal A, divalent, +2 charge. Octahedral voids are occupied by monovalent atoms. All octahedral voids, okay, all octahedral voids occupied by the metal B, but the monovalent +1. They have a formula of the oxide. Okay. If any element is forming the lattice, let the number of those elements forming the lattice, let it be equal to n. How many tetrahedral voids are there? Double the number of tetrahedral voids. How many octahedral voids are there? Same number. But how much occupied in the tetrahedral void? Only 1 by 4th of that one. Therefore, it is equal to n by 2 times. Whereas all the octahedral voids are occupied by B, so it is n itself. So when I take the ratio A, B and O, A will be n by 2 times, B will be n times, and oxide is n times. So it is a n by 2 is to n is to n. Correct? Common term is n. So it is a 1 by 2 is to 1 is to 1. Or multiply by entire ratio by 2 times. So 1 is to 2 is to 2. Therefore it should be A1 times, B2 times, and O2 times. Correct? So what is the answer? Answer is option number D. Fine. Question number 5. For orthorhombic system, axial ratios are where A is not equal to B, not equal to C, and axial angles are equal to. Remember, orthorhombic system is a example like we can give matchbox type. Correct? In matchbox, all the lengths are not same. Correct? You know that one. Correct? All these lengths are not same. Correct? So they have got different length. A is different, B is different, C is different. Correct? But all these are perpendicular to each other. Correct? So therefore, alpha, beta, gamma are equal to each other and they should be equal to 90 degrees. Remember, matchbox type example is for the system orthorhombic. So answer is option number B. Clear? Right? We shall continue some of the questions in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.